Hi, thank you for watching. This video is about custom farm banners and flags. The main question we get is what is the difference between a banner and a flag? And I will say I was confused about this as well. So this photo right here, you'll notice that there is an area across the top of the fabric and along the bottom. That's where somewhat of a pole goes here. And this particular banner was used on a street outdoors. And so there was a pole that had two additional poles on the top and the bottom. And then the banner was custom fit to fit directly onto the pole. So that's what a banner is. It has a top and a bottom, and it affixes to either a pole or to a fence or somewhere in a building, on a wall, something of that nature, or it can be freestanding. That's what banners are. They typically line the streets or they'll line a driveway. If it's a commercial facility, like if it's a racetrack, there'll be banners lining the drive or the entrance or something like that. And the flags, just if you just think of a typical United States flag, the type of flag that hangs from a flagpole, and you'll see it when it's windy, you'll see the flag wave. That is just solely the difference we have here between banners and flags. So we have the ability to make both farm banners as well as farm flags. We have one standard pricing and a standard size, and this size is considered large. And you'll see the sizing specs in the description below. But just so you have a frame of reference, when you are maybe driving and you drive by a building and they have an American flag flying, that is the size of farm flags that we make. And that's a large. We're able to make them in a medium and in a small. And the small is kind of what you would have in your home, in the front yard, hanging off the porch. It's basically like a garden flag, but just a little bit bigger. And so we're able to custom design your farm banners. We can use your silks. We can use any type of logo, any type of name that you choose. And most important, a lot of people have questions about the type of material. We use a weather resistant nylon, and this is the type of material basically that American flags are made from. They're able to withstand being outdoors, being in heavy weather. They're able to withstand being in the sun. They don't fade. And I mean, they'll take years and years for them to fade, but they're really tough and they're made to be weather and environment resist. They're able to resist the weather and the environment. So, as you can see, oh, and the other thing is we make them double sided unless you do not need them to show on both sides. So, here's the way that you can begin by ordering a standard large custom farm banner or custom farm flag. You'll go ahead down here and you'll choose the amount that you would like. You will go ahead and you will add it to the cart. You'll see the cart will load on the right side of the screen here where you have an overview. You're purchasing custom farm banners, one of them for $180. You'll want to go down here to the checkout, and this is where the customization happens. So in the checkout, there'll be an area, some text in red. And what this text says is to write a detailed description of your silks or your other item in the box below. And you can also upload photos by using this button I'll show you. So in this box below, which says order notes, this is where you're going to want to give us all of the information about the type of flag or banner that you're choosing. So please be specific if you would like your silks as well as your farm name, and somehow you may want a logo. If you want it front and back, just give us all of the specifics. The more the better, that would be great. And just fill it in right here. And then the next thing you can do is if you have a reference, a visual reference, we would love to have that. You can choose a file, and as long as it's somewhere on your computer, you select this button and you can upload a file that you can send to us as a reference. If it's a logo, if it's a photo of your silks, if it is a picture of a flag or banner that you have seen that you like, or if it's a flag and banner that you've used before and you'd like to get it recreated and get a new one, go ahead and upload that. So once you've uploaded a file for us, and once you've entered your detailed description of your flag or banner, you can fill in the billing details and the shipping information. You'll have an overview of your order right here, and you'll be able to make a payment and place your order. So that's how you make an order for a custom farm flag or a custom farm banner. If you have any questions, here's our phone number. You can give us a call in the office. It's 859-429-1558. My name is Addie Claire Evans, and I will look forward to servicing you. Thank you. Take care.